Hey guys, we got another magazine to review here. This is the Tango Down Corporation, or Incorporation, what you want to call it, right here, made by Tango Down, made in the United States magazine. This is the first initial, quick review of the magazine here for an initial inspection of the magazine after I purchase it. This is what the packaging looks like right here for reference. And this is the front portion of the magazine right here. Tango Down Incorporated. This is the ARC magazine. I believe this is the Generation 2 magazine for reference. That's what the packaging looks like on the external side. M16 AR-15 style magazine, 5.56 cartridge right here specifically for that. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the packaging right here for reference. Get this thing out of here. And get out of here, buddy. There we go. Okay. They do make two different types of these magazines specifically for reference. They make the black magazine, which I have right here. This thing flattened out here for you guys so you can see it on here. And here we go. They make the black one, and they have a dark, what we would call it's like a flat dark earth color here for reference as well too, and we can get a better shot here for you. So better stay with me here. There you go. This thing's smoothed out here. Got the black one right here on the left side, and you have your tan flat dark earth one right here for reference right here. Made by Tango Down, made in the United States, right down here as well too. And here's the other features up here. Advanced polymer construction, they claim on here, true 30 round capacity, 4.556 NATO cartridge, and it's designed specifically for the M16 AR-15. M4 SCAR L rifles and carbines. Let me get my thing turned off here real quick. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, here's the magazine itself right here specifically. This magazine has a unique body, to say the least, right here. It's incorporated. They basically have two pieces. You have a lower body right here, and then you have your upper body right here, so you cannot disassemble the magazine. So it's kind of like one negative right here. However, they claim this magazine is supposed to be like a more reinforced body on here for that one specific reason why they have this design right here. So we'll be doing a test shooting video up at the cabin using this magazine here, hopefully in the near future when we have some time to go up and take it up there and test it out in general and see how it overall functions. So this is what the magazine looks like in general. It looks pretty good, looks substantial. Nice polymer body on here. Here's the body down, I should say the bottom of the magazine right here. Let me get the here to stay it. Here's the bottom of the magazine. You cannot take it apart for reference, like I said before. Here's your rear spine area right here as well too. So it looks like in the back. Here's your left hand side. Here's your logo down here, Tango Down. You got a MK2 down here because I believe it's a version 2 model for reference. So if anybody has more information than I do, please correct me if I am incorrect. And here's the front portion of the magazine right here. You have a nice gripping surface right here for reference. And we'll give you a shot of the actual feed lip area right here for reference as well too, so get you a good angle for that right here. There's your feed lip area. There's your feed lip. So that's what everything looks like in a magazine. It looks like a substantial magazine, so we'll be demonstrating this up the cabin. I did purchase this one from Bravo Company USA on their website. The reason I got it was because it was a unique design, and I also looked up the ratings of the magazine on their website, and it was like a 4.9 out of 5. So majority of people who purchased it liked it. They did not have any kind of complaints, qualms, or noted issues with the magazine. So we'll be trying it out up the cabin at a future date, and we'll put at least probably 20 or 30 rounds through it. I typically load magazines up to like 5 or 10 rounds just to do a function check on a magazine to make sure it's functional and it works. I really don't want to load up a 30 rounds, blow through ammunition like crazy out there. That's why I typically make the videos with only 5 or 10 rounds to do a function check. Testing various types of ammunition like typical 55 grain 223, 62 grain or 62 grain IMI M855, and some of the heavier bolt like 77 grain stuff. So if it can function using all three types of you know, cartridge round types, it should be perfectly fine with everything else out there for that, guys. So this has been a quick video here for the initial inspection of the Tango Down Incorporated ARC magazine. This is the version 2.0. If I am incorrect, feel free to correct me on here in the video comments section. So if anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, as usual, just leave me a message and we'll try to get back to you as quick as humanly possible within a certain amount of time. I'll see you guys and have a nice day.